6 mistakes Pi pioneers should avoid. Right now, hello pioneers, welcome back to the channel. If you've been mining Pi for months or even years, you probably want to protect your account and your future Pi holdings. Unfortunately, many users make mistakes that can put their accounts, wallets, or even their Pi at risk. In today's video, we'll look at 6 mistakes every Pi pioneer should avoid right now. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Sharing your wallet. Passphrase. Your wallet passphrase is the key to your Pi wallet. Anyone who has your passphrase can access your wallet. No member of the Pi core team will ever ask for your passphrase. Genuine support staff won't ask for it either. If someone asks for your passphrase, stop communicating with them immediately. Keep it private and store it somewhere safe. Mistake number 2. Falling for fake giveaways. Scammers often promise free Pi or claim they can double your Pi if you send them some first. Others create fake websites and social media accounts pretending to represent Pi Network. Remember this: if something sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Always verify information through official Pi Network sources before taking action. Mistake number 3. Ignoring account security. Many pioneers focus on mining every day but forget about account security. Make sure your email account is secure. Use strong passwords. Keep your recovery information updated. A secure account today can prevent major problems in the future. Mistake number 4. Believing every rumor. The Pi community is full of rumors. One day people talk about exchange listings. The next day they talk about partnerships or major announcements. Not everything you see online is true. Before believing any major news, check official announcements from Pi Network. Relying on rumors can lead to confusion and disappointment. Mistake number 5. Focusing only on price. Many people only talk about how much Pi could be worth, but Pi Network is about more than price. The project is trying to build an ecosystem of applications, services, and real-world utility. Understanding the ecosystem can help you make better decisions and stay informed about the project's progress. Mistake number 6. Trusting people who claim they can unlock your locked Pi. This is one of the most dangerous scams. Some people claim they can unlock your locked Pi balance before the lockup period ends. They may ask for your wallet information, passphrase, or even money. Do not trust these claims. Your locked balance follows the lockup settings you chose. No individual, website, or unofficial service can magically unlock your Pi before the scheduled unlock date. If someone promises early access to your locked Pi, consider it a major warning sign. The safest option is to wait until the lockup period naturally expires. Final thoughts. Pi Network continues to grow, but staying informed is just as important as mining. Protect your wallet, avoid scams, verify information, secure your account, learn about the ecosystem, and never trust anyone who claims they can unlock your locked Pi early. Which of these mistakes do you think is the most dangerous? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Pi Network content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.